So, you might have noticed something different. Yes, I changed the channel's name. Kenobi Makes has evolved. It's not a reboot, it's a rebrand. Why?
Because Kenobi Makes sounded like I was about to make a fucking birdhouse.
But this channel is about 3D printing. Fast prints, competitive prints, prints that either succeed or failed cinematically. So I present to you Absolute Cinema. Yes, from ABS, like the filament, and cinema, because watching a print fail in slow motion is art. This channel is now about manufacturing so intense it deserves dramatic lighting. Every layer, every calibration, every why did it attach from the bed moment. Absolute Cinema. Same creator, same printers, just higher temperatures and worse jokes. Welcome to Absolute Cinema.